Welcome to Kettlebell Wellness, where you are building your home strength training practice with kettlebells. And so you'll need at least 4 single kettlebells to get started with. And these 4 are ones you will be using your entire life. I've changed the 4 that I recommend slightly because I've seen over the years which kettlebells get used the most, which are the favorites for women over the age of 40 and beyond, all the way up until your 80s. You'll be using these 4 kettlebells. So I feel confident recommending them. The first one is your 6-kilogram bell. It's 13 pounds. It'll feel heavy to start with. It looks innocent, but it's got a lot of weight to it. You'll use it for warm-up, for practice, for your skills, and we'll use it in a variety of ways over the years. So that's your first one. The second one's your 8-kilogram bell. It's 18 pounds. This is the one we call light, and we'll use it again for some of your upper body movements, for learning some of your kettlebell skills, and this one you'll use over and over again as you get more practiced with kettlebells. 10 kilograms is the next one. So these are only 2 kilograms apart, but the pound jump is fairly high. This is 22 pounds. And this one is a favorite of so many of the women I work with over the age of 50, 60, 70, and beyond. This is a great kettlebell to have. I love using my 10-kilogram bell for a lot of my overhead movements. And then the 14-kilogram bell, it's a big jump from 10 to 14, but this one you'll use for your suitcase carries, your deadlifts, lower body dominant movements. You'll eventually use it for your swings, 2-arm, 1-arm. And so these 4 kettlebells are going to be ones, again, you can use over your lifetime in a variety of ways. They're very versatile. So I feel confident with those. If you are living in Canada and want to support Canadian, you can go to White Lion Athletics and use my coupon code kettlebell_Karen, and you'll get a 10% discount, and I'll get a bit of kickback for that. So that's always nice. It's a really nice local company. You'll get a note from them, and you'll feel really good about the product. They are the nicest cast iron powder coated kettlebells out there. So go to White Lion Athletics for those if you're in Canada. And let's get started on your kettlebell journey.